Today, let's talk about stress and skin. As everyone's been talking about it, but I will tell you my personal experience today. I'm here in Cleveland to drop my daughter for her undergrad, my firstborn, and the stress, the anxiety can be seen on my face. I can feel it. Start looking at the under eye dark circles, the dullness of the skin, and especially the irregular dryness that one notices. And why does this happen? It's because of the hormone called cortisol. It's the king of hormones which regulates everything in the body at every cellular level. Now, on the skin, cortisol increases the oil secretion, the sebaceous gland secretion, which then get blocked, causing acne. But it's not equal, it's uneven. So you have few areas of dry patches making your skin dull. It can also exacerbate dry skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and it can cause further skin damage. Now, what does one do to control this? The first thing is let go. The second is distract yourself, exercise, release those good endorphins so that your skin glows. Keep a watch on your skincare routine, spend some more time on yourself. Eat well, sleep well. These are what I follow. Let me know what you follow to work on your stressed out skin.